How custom mock-ups can help the creative business owner. Creative business owners are always looking for an opportunity to be able to save money and be able to share stock photos and their design. So why not use a mock-up? A mock-up is basically an image that has been drafted with a blank item on it so that you can take your own design digitally and be able to place it onto that item and share your design without actually having to print the shirt and then turn around and go and photograph the shirt. Just as an example. A couple of ways that you can use mock-ups, or a couple of types of items that can be used for mock-ups, are things like t-shirts, tablets, cell phones, roll-on containers if you happen to sell essential oils. You can also use things like coffee mugs and stuff. So any type of design that you make or any type of product that you make, you can actually do a mock-up as a way to be able to share your design with people without having to actually worry about the physical product at that moment. You can turn out your content a lot faster. You can control what those mock-ups look like so you can have some branded content to go throughout your feed and give people an opportunity to see a preview of the awesome product that you're going to have to sell. This is also a great way to be able to work with a brand photographer. You can actually work with brand photographers to have a custom gallery generated of all different types of mock-ups so that you can have a little bit more control. Going into stock shops and getting a mock-up from a stock shop is a great way to use it affordably. However, you may run into a lot of issues with finding things that are going to be branded towards what you want. Or maybe you want specific angles or certain props and things to be included in that photo that are a little bit more tailored fit to what you would like. So when you're working with a brand photographer, you can create a custom gallery of set mock-ups that you can utilize for your products. So if you're that t-shirt manufacturer who's coming up with these cute little sayings and stuff targeting that mom boss, you can create a set of custom images in your gallery of mock-ups that are just plain shirts so that you can take your digital design, place it on that shirt as needed, and be able to share that graphic right away throughout your Instagram, social media, or even in your store if you want to do a pre-sale. It's an awesome idea, it's super creative, and a way to be able to affordably share your content and designs without constantly having to worry about making the shirt or actual product itself before you get a chance to shoot it. So make sure to click below and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with the weekly videos to help you constantly improve your content and photography skills.